Hey everyone, so I thought today I would take a few minutes and make a really quick video on how I'm gonna vlog on trail. If you've watched any of my videos from last year, then you know that I did vlog last year on my first AT attempt through hike. But if you're new to this channel, go back and watch those videos and let me know what you think. So I am gonna vlog my 2024 AT through hike. And I'm gonna let you know what am I taking to vlog on trail. I'll let you know what worked for me last year and what changes that I made. So I take one camera on trail, and that is my phone. And I like to have things in my pack that are multi-purpose. So obviously it's a phone and it's a camera and it's a video camera. And it also is my computer that I'm able to edit and upload my videos all in one. Last year I had the iPhone 13 Pro. Joe has that now, and I upgraded to the iPhone 14 Pro. So I will be taking that, and I'm making this video on that phone today. So obviously I don't have it to show you. The second thing that I'm gonna take is a tripod slash selfie stick. This is the same one I used last year. I actually have two of them, so I'm using the one now. It has a remote, so I can, take Bluetooth, photo, video, whatever, start and stop and so forth with not having to set a timer or run over to the phone. And it acts as a tripod and a selfie stick all in one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. We're gonna see. I've seen some things where I can attach the phone directly to my trekking pole, so I may try and play with that and see, but for now, this is gonna go initially in my fanny pack. The second thing is I do carry two 10,000 amp Nitecore power banks on trail. It was plenty of power for me last year to keep my phone charged, my Zoleo charged, other little things in between town stops where I was able to recharge. That being said, I do keep my phone in airplane mode a good majority within a 24-hour period of the day. One of the struggles that I had last year that I didn't realize was that all my photos and videos were going up to the cloud, which is great. The problem with that is that if I want to edit videos in my tent at night, if I have short days, quick days, or an easier video, I can't access it without Wi-Fi. So what happened was then when I would go, and once I realized that, and I would get into town, I was spending a lot of my time in towns doing videos, like hours and hours that I could have been taking care of myself, resting, napping, whatever. I spent editing videos. So I'm gonna try to alleviate that a little bit this year by turning that feature off that sends my videos and photos directly to the cloud, leaving them on my phone storage. And, I will also carry a backup flash drive. So if I need to move anything off of my phone onto the flash drive to send it home, then I will do that. And we're gonna see if that makes a difference. I don't wanna spend a lot of time at camp editing videos, but if I'm in my tent, at 6 o'clock at night and I'm resting and I've got my feet up and I want to knock out a video, so it's one less I have to do when I get into town, I would like the option to do that. So I'm going to play with that and see how it works. If it doesn't work, then I'll go back to the way it was, but we'll see. And I can either pick up a new flash drive when this is full and mail this home, or we have two of these. I can have Joe send me one if he's sending me a box. So we'll see how that works. One of the other things that I'm going to add this year is I am going to add a microphone. There was not very many instances last year that I needed it. I did not hike the whole trail, so that might change as I get into different areas. But I am going to bring it. It literally weighs like, what did I weigh this morning? Everything was like an ounce. And that is for one. This comes with two. I'm only bringing one. With the windscreen, and then I have the little spongy cover that goes on that this plugs into my phone, and then to recharge the microphone. And then that will help if there's any background noise, if I'm not right near my phone and I want to record voice and video at the same time, or if I'm in very windy conditions, then I'll be able to use this. I will keep this in my fanny pack because if it goes in my electronics bag, I'll never use it because I do most of my recording on trail. So it'll always be right there. So we'll see how this works if I keep this or not. And some of the items that that I'm talking about, not this selfie stick, you can get these anywhere. I've had these for years. But like the microphone, I'll link this below. It was very reasonable. I got it on a lightning deal. So I'll link that below if you're interested. The Nitecore power banks as well work very well. I think both of them combined are like 10 ounces. I think they're like 5 ounces each. So you can decide if you need a full 20,000. And then obviously a flash drive you can get you know, you can get those anywhere. The editing software and stuff that I'm going to use. So let's talk about that really quick. I kind of have notes, so bear with me as I'm looking down because I didn't want to forget. I'm going to use CapCut this year. I've seen some of the vloggers that are currently using it, and I downloaded it. I've been using it for the videos that I've been putting out. I really like it. I used iMovie last year, and that's limited on the capabilities. So I really like using CapCut. So I'm going to use CapCut this year. And like I said, I've been using it, so I'm not using it for the first time on trail. The music that I will choose to use in the videos is going to be through the YouTube studio. I don't have to worry about copyright. I'm using the free version of CapCut, so I do not have the ability to use copyright-free music. So I'm just going to use the YouTube studio music that's embedded in there and that I'm able to use. And what I did with that was I went through and I listened to music that I liked, and I actually downloaded it into a folder on my phone. So now I can just easily drag it into CapCut, and I'm not searching through all the music every single time. So that would be a suggestion if you're going to use the music in YouTube. Choose some of what you like, that's some different styles that you can interchange. Download it, put it on the folder right on your home screen, and then you can just drag and drop that into your videos without having to search through a lot of different music to choose what you want. I know that a lot of people use Canva for their thumbnails. I don't know. I'm just not a big fan of Canva. I don't know if it's because I'm an older person or not, but I struggle with all of the capabilities that it has to just make a simple thumbnail. And it doesn't matter how many videos I watch on it. I don't know. It just does not, the wires in my brain do not connect. I used Promeo last year, so it's Promeo. I use that. I've been using it for my thumbnails. It doesn't have a lot of super sexy hot things that you can do, but it does what I need. And I think my thumbnails come out pretty decent for the most part, as long as I take a good picture. And then obviously I have the YouTube Studio app on my phone, and that's how I go in and upload everything. So that's it. So quick recap in 30 seconds or less. I have the iPhone 14 Pro and this little selfie stick / tripod to set up for my videos. 2 Nightcore 10,000 amp power banks. A flash drive. I don't even remember how big this is. I've had it so long. There's nothing on it, but you can get the size you need. A little microphone, and then the software. I am using CapCut, music from the YouTube studio, Promeo for my thumbnails, and then obviously I'm using YouTube Studio app to upload my videos. I'll put the links to a couple of the things that I'm using, like the microphone and the power banks below, and also links to like CapCut and Promeo and those type of things if you want to check them out and see if that might be something that you might be interested in using for your vlogs, whether you're vlogging a through hike or whether you're just doing vlogs for some other channel that you may have. So I hope this helps, and hope y'all have a great day. And for all of you through hikers that are starting, my days are down in the single digits now, so I'm super excited. And we'll be, can't look forward to bringing you some great trail videos this year. And happy trails to all the 2024 through hikers. And be safe out there, y'all. Have a great day.